everyone, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Vista True Wireless Sport Headphones from Jaybird. These just came out. They're new as of August. They're the next generation of true wireless earbuds from Jaybird. This comes right out of the top. This is a nice thin small case. This charges via USB Type-C, so we're happy to see that. We like that this case is quite small. We would have liked that this case is not wirelessly chargeable, but it would have been great if it was, so maybe they'll do that in the future. And then going further inside the box is different manuals and paperwork. And then also you get this kit, which comes with ear gels and a charging cable as well. So that's a micro USB charging cable, and there's several ear gels. Now this is a little different to pair this with the phone. I've already started using this a little bit. There is a button inside, so each one has its own Bluetooth connection to the phone, and to simultaneously connect them, you hold the button down and then this starts blinking fast, and then it connects to the smartphone. And then what you do, as it says here, is that you download an app from them, and that will update the firmware on the headphones. So you hold it down, it starts blinking, connects both of them simultaneously to the phone over Bluetooth. And here's the headphone right here. It's got a wingtip that goes in your ear and it sticks in there. This is IPX7 waterproof. And you can see the charging points inside of the box. We like how small this box is. And here's more of what the headphone looks like. These buttons tap very easily, not so much pressure. And they're currently on. So once you take them out of the box, they automatically turn on. This part goes into your ear. And like I said, there's more earpieces and the charging cable inside the bag. So this is the Vista headphones. They're wireless from Jaybird. They last about 6 hours. And the case gives you also about 10 hours. Here's some more information here on the case about the headphones. This is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up. I'm also 24K on Instagram.